So students, you will see this is the syllabus of paper 2. Paper 2 as given by UPSC. This paper 2 whole syllabus consists of 250 marks. So out of this 250 marks we will see what portion deals with polity and governance. So you will see that this is the original syllabus. Original syllabus as given by UPSC. This paper 2 consists of governance, constitution and polity. Then it consists of social justice, and third is it consists of IR. So you will see that in this syllabus the first point is related to Indian Constitution, historical underpinning, evolution, features, amendment. Second is functions and responsibilities of union and states. Third is separation of power between various organs. Then you will see comparison of Indian Constitution with another, then the parliament and state legislature, then the structure, organization and functioning of the executive, then the salient features of the Representation of People's Act, then the appointment of various constitutional bodies, and this is the statutory, regulatory and various quasi judicial bodies. So till here this line, this all the topics deals with polity and governance. Okay, from here this is government policies and interventions in various sectors. This is the portion of social justice. This is the portion of social justice. Okay, so this portion of social justice is not the part of polity and governance. Okay, social justice. So this section is also important, but you will see very less marks from this section. So this section consists of government policies designs from here till here. So above portion deals with polity and governance, and the below portion deals with social justice. Now this portion, this issues relating to poverty and hunger, is also the part of social justice. But these two topics, first important aspect of governance, transparency, accountability and role of civil service, these 2 points are again related to constitution, governance and polity of paper 2. Then again you will find that India and neighborhood relation, this is all related to IR, international relation. Okay, so these all topics are from IR. So the first and foremost step of every student is to have the command over syllabus. So like this you should divide the paper 2 into 3 equal parts. So which are these 3 parts? These are 3 equal parts. Paper 2 can be divided into these 3 parts. What are these 3 parts? First is constitution, social justice and international relation. Now we will give numbers to the every topic in the constitution and polity. How? In this manner. So you will see that in this issues poverty, this is the first topic. Constitution, polity, governance. First topic of the syllabus is Indian Constitution. In this topic, these are the subtopics: historical underpinnings. In this historical underpinnings, you will find Regulating Act 1773 in British rule and during Crown rule. Different acts were passed by the British Parliament to provide a framework of governance in the Indian colony, because at that time India was the colony of the British rule. So this acts we have to consider in this. Then evolution, features, amendment, significant provisions and basic structure. So these all are part of the first topic. See, here we have these digits are not in the original syllabus. Okay, we have done it. Then you will see the second point is functions, responsibilities of union, states, issues and challenging towards the federal structure and devolution of powers. Then we have given third number to separation of power between various organs, dispute redressal mechanisms and institution. Then the fourth topic of our syllabus will be comparison of Indian constitutional scheme with that of other countries. Then this is the fifth topic, Parliament and Legislature. In this Parliament and Legislature, structure, functioning, conduct of business, powers, privileges, issues arising out of it. Then we have given this sixth number to the structure, organization and functioning of executive and judiciary, ministries and department of the government, then pressure group, formal and informal associations and their role in polity. Then this is the seventh topic, salient features of the Representations Act. This is the eighth point, is related to appointment to various constitutional posts like CAG, like Finance Commission, like Union Public Service Commission, their post, powers, functions, responsibilities attached to it. Then you have ninth topic is related to statutory and regulatory and various quasi-judicial bodies. So this is the ninth topic. Now this is the 10th topic, is related to important aspects of governance, transparency and accountability, e-governance application models, successes, limitations and potential citizens charter, transparency, accountability. And finally, the last topic is role of civil service in democracy. So what we have done, we have first carved out topics which are related to polity and governance from paper 2. Then we have given one particular number to each topic, and now we will move towards the third part of our lecture. In this I will expand each of this topic. In other words, what I will do, that what all topics will be in this particular topic which you are expected to prepare notes. So let us see now in that.